Chapter 36. The Ego of Saving. By showing mercy to one, people do not realize that it may lead to cruelty towards another. Dada Bhagwan. Dada Bhagwan, the enlightened soul, says, Abhaidan, the granting of fearlessness, is the greatest gift. A seeker asked Dadaji, the lives we save, isn't that an act of Abhaidan? Dada Bhagwan explains, people think that they are saving lives, which is why many creatures survive. But how are they in their own homes? They insult their mothers, argue with their family members, and yet go outside for saving other living beings. Dadaji humorously remarks, such people should be sent to an ocean to observe how fish get their food. What do they see there? Small fish are eaten by bigger fish, and the larger fish is eaten by an even bigger one. The cycle continues. Now, what will happen if we send an intelligent person to witness this? What will their judgment be? Dadaji continues, what belief system is prevailing in the world? We think we save lives, and yet hold hatred towards the butcher. Ask the butcher and he'll say, this has been our family business for generations. It's our livelihood. He doesn't think that what he's doing is wrong. Dadaji questions, why is there a need to boast? I saved this life. I did this good deed. The butcher doesn't have the power to take lives. No one has. He is simply acting out of ignorance and ego. The real truth is, whether one kills or saves, neither will attain liberation, because both are acting out of ego. One has the ego of killing, and the other has the ego of saving. The ultimate reality, ego will not lead to liberation. Only in the relative world does this seem to work. Dadaji then explains, God does not allow the egotistical to attain liberation. It is only the egoless who can enter liberation. An illustrative example follows. In a small village, there was a simple Jain businessman who had two sons. One was 3 years old, and the other was just 1.5 years. A plague spread, and both parents passed away. The villagers gathered, and the elder son was taken by a goldsmith, while the younger son was adopted by a man from a lower caste. When the elder son turned 20 to 22, he declared, drinking alcohol and eating meat are sins, while the younger son, when he turned 18 to 20, said, one should drink alcohol and eat meat. Why did these two different opinions arise from the same family? The answer lies in their different conditioning, their sanskaras adopted from surrounding environments. Someone asked Dadaji, who will attain liberation between these two? Dadaji replied, in this case, the question of liberation doesn't even arise. One is proud of not drinking and not eating meat, while the other is proud of doing the opposite. Both are full of ego, and there is no question of liberation for either of them. Liberation requires the absence of ego, not attachment to either side. Both are like individuals who have fallen into different pits. God calls them both egoistic. Jai Satchidanand.